Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 07 August 2018, 00 of hour, 02 of minute and 21 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, what do you do if your Xbox One won't install games? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about what do you do if your Xbox One won't install games. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here's the explanation about what do you do if your Xbox One won't install games. To fix this issue, try the following solutions. Solution 1. Clear your local saved games and try reinstalling the game. Solution 2. Take your console offline and install the game. Step 1. Use your console offline. Step 2. Cancel the download. Step 3. Eject the game disk and power cycle the console. Step 4. Install the game. More items. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.